There is a popular quote going around at the moment. The person you will be in the 5 years is based on the books you read and the people you hang around with today. This is quite true, but it applies to everything else as well. The person you will be in the future is based on everything you do today. The books you read or the video you watch, all the information you take in positive or negative will affect your future. You are joining a bad company or good company will affect your future. What you think today will shape your future. If you will think negative, guess what? Your future is going to be made up of. Commit to feed your mind with successful thoughts and surround yourself with those who have the same ambition. It doesn't matter where you get your information from, you may read. Just make sure you keep feeding your mind every day. Your future self is begging you to show some discipline. Your future self is begging you not to be in the rest. Your future self is begging you to do the work now, so you can enjoy later. If you don't feed your mind with success, you cannot be a successful person. My mind is strong. I am strong. My thoughts are strong. My beliefs are strong. My life is strong. They say I can't. I can. They say I wouldn't. I will. They say I'm not. I am. I am unstoppable. There is nothing I cannot be. There is nothing I cannot do. There is nothing I cannot have. In my mind, there are no limits. I am limitless.